This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, July 11th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have pretty much a zonal flow across the country, a ridge over the south. It's main storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border, but it's close enough to bring a storm system into our neck of the woods today. This will bring us some showers and thunderstorms. It could be an all-day rain, or otherwise it'll be raining and mainly cloudy, if very few peaks of sunshine around. Highs will be mainly in the 70s north to lower to middle 80s south, even some upper 80s south and west. Saturday will be a repeat of Friday, maybe slightly less activity around, but still some showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s north to lower and middle 80s south. Sunday would be about the same story, be a little more scattered out at this point with the showers and storms. Highs will be mainly in the 80s at this point, with lower and middle 80s being more predominant. But then a cold front just swings in here Monday. Temperatures may barely make it to 70 in the northwestern counties, near 80 in the south. We could see falling temperatures Monday afternoon and evening. And then we get into the very cool and abnormal weather here Tuesday and even Wednesday. Highs Tuesday may struggle to make to 70, lower 70s in the southern counties. Tuesday night into Wednesday morning could be quite chilly, could see possible record lows in the 40s and lower 50s, with highs Wednesday breaking the 70-degree mark, with mainly lower and middle 70s across the state, with some afternoon clouds that could bring a sprinkle with all the cold air in the upper levels. That could also be the case here on Thursday. We could see some very isolated showers around with the afternoon heating over a very cold air mass. Otherwise, it'll be mainly sunny. Highs Thursday will make it back into the 70s to near 80. And here on Friday, you can see we have pretty much the same pattern we have this Friday. Main storm track along the U.S.-Canadian border, ridge over the southwest, mainly centered around the Four Corners. They're still getting the monsoonal flow there. Winds turning southerly here. That's going to boost temperatures by next weekend back to where they're going to be today in the lower and middle 80s, if this is to be correct. Going even further out into the extended period, this is July the 22nd. We have pretty much the main storm track across the northwest through the northern plains, over the Great Lakes into the north and east. Ridge over the south at that point. It's going to keep a lot of the hot weather down there. Not going to totally rule out any warm weather around here, but some showers and thunderstorms will be possible from time to time, as you can see a system moving through the Great Lakes. At the end of the forecast, July the 26th, 594 ridge centered about near Nashville to Memphis. We'll be on the extreme northern edge of that. That means we'll still have a chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms around, as you can see here, with a complex possibly over the Dakotas moving in our direction, with readings likely in the 80s if this is to be correct, and we'll have to wait and see if this ridge may build northward and bring us more heat and humidity. Going into the satellite image from last evening, we had a storm system moving off the east coast with some showers and thunderstorms along that. The next system coming in our direction, moving through the plains and back into the Intermountain West with the monsoonal flow, with the decaying showers and storms there. The watch warning map from last evening was fairly quiet. We still had a flash flood watch over Utah and Colorado, red flag warnings in southern Oregon and northern California, and a few severe thunderstorm warnings out in the plains. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall around here could be significant. Maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain across the state. Heaviest maybe over the eastern counties. We could see more. We could see a lot less.